Hello guys, welcome back. So as we already completed our first 5 challenges, let's take up our 6th challenge now, which is limit color choices based on material. So once if you launch your playground, let's go to our setup. So click on object manager, and here in quick find search for product and choose product option over here, followed by fields and relationship, followed by field dependency, which is right over here, and now click on new. So for controlling field, give material, so it should be material, and for dependent field choose color. So once if it is done, click on continue. So in this silicone column, we are going to double click on everything except gold. So just double click on everything by leaving the gold. So for canvas also we are going to leave gold. Other than that, we are going to choose everything. So for stainless steel, we are going to choose light gray, dark gray and gold. Just select it and click on include value so that it will get yellow in color, which means it got selected. So now just select black, white and brown for leather, and now click on include values, and now click on save. So that is all about this challenge. Let's go back and scroll down and click on verify step. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed this challenge as well. So remaining 2 challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.